In this video, we will show you how to change the headlights on your Jeep Grand Cherokee. You can find them on CarParts.com via the link in the description. For safety reasons, we advise you to disconnect the battery. To do so, we recommend watching the video. How to replace the Jeep Grand Cherokee car battery. In order to change a headlight on your vehicle, you will need to remove the front bumper cover as well as the grille assembly to have full access. At the mudguard, use a fork to remove the two plastic rivets. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a long 10mm socket, unscrew the retaining bolt. Shift the wheel arch trim. Disengage the bumper cover from the fender by pulling it towards the front of the vehicle. Repeat the same steps on the other side. Shift the mudguard. Disconnect the fog lights power connector. To do this, push on the tab and pull on the connector. Repeat the same steps on the other side. The front bumper cover is now free. You can remove it, preferably with help from a second person. Take your time using the technique shown in the video. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 10mm socket, unscrew the two bolts holding the grille assembly in place. You can now remove the grille assembly. Remove the hood seal holding clips using the fork, then shift it. Then using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the plastic rivets holding the cover. Remove them with a fork. Then remove the cover. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 10mm socket, unscrew the three headlight retaining bolts. You can now carefully remove the headlight, making small lateral back and forward movements. To remove the turn signal bulb socket from the taillight housing, turn it counterclockwise and pull it out. Remove the electrical connectors from the high and low beam bulbs by pulling on the retaining tab, then on the pod. You can use a hook. Remove the side marker light electrical connector. To do this, push on the tab and pull on the connector. Remove the headlight. You can order the headlight used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new headlight, all the bulbs are supplied with it. Reconnect the power connectors. Put the headlight back in place. Screw the bolts back in using a ratchet. Put the plastic cover back on. Put the rivets back in place on the plastic cover. Reattach the hood seal. Put the grille assembly back in place. Screw the bolts back in using a ratchet. Grease the locations of the bumper cover retaining tabs to facilitate the installation. Put the bumper cover back in place. Then press on it to put it back in place. Reconnect the fog lights power connector. put the mudguard back in place. Replace the wheel arch trim. Put the rivets back in place. You can then screw the bolt back in using a ratchet. Repeat the same steps on the other side. Reconnect the battery. Operation complete.